Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Google Maps to Base44. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to Base44 and log in using your user credential. After you do this, you'll be on this page where you'll have to click on integrations options at the top. Now, here you can search for maps, but you will see that you don't receive any result for that. So what you're going to do is search for places and you will see Google Places appearing just right here. So you can do all the things that Maps can do with Google Places. So click on use this integration button. As you can see, you can search and fetch rich location data including names, ratings, hours, contact info for millions of places worldwide to power autocomplete, nearby search or business details in your app. So just click on use this integration button that will be available just right here. But as you can see, the button is not available because this integration requires backend functions, a feature available only on builder tier and above. So click on your profile icon at the top, click on settings, choose plan and billing, then click on upgrade plan. And make sure you buy builder or starter plan. So click on subscribe to builder or starter. Don't choose elite and pro because integrations are only available on builder and above. Subscribe to a plan, get back to the same page and you will see that you can click on the button that is use this integration. When you click this button, it will instantly connect your Google Maps to Base44. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.